Welcome to the new world of fiber laser fabrication. The PeddiBull is the be-all, end-all of plate production. Up to 60 kilowatts, Precitec torch ripping those perfect 90-degree edges and 45-degree bevels. Pierce up to 4 3/4-inch mild steel. Leave no plate unburned with the new hybrid cutting head. Infusing the power of oxy-fuel with the precision of fiber laser. A true, large-format plate processing beast. Cut steel plate up to 11.5 feet wide, and with its modular table design up to 100 feet long. Devour every type of material you feed this laser plate processing machine. Equipped with Smart Manager and Lantek 3D nesting software, put aggression back into your production. PeddiLaser.com